Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I just want to show you how to actually download and install the JDK for your specific platform, for your Windows machine or Mac OS X. Okay, in your web browser just type in download JDK and press enter. And as you can see here, there is a link here that says Java SE-downloads. Okay, just click on this link and this is the JDK download section. As you can see here, you can just click on this button here. So here is the latest version of Java SE development kit. It doesn't really matter whether you have got a different version than this one. You just need to download the latest version. Okay, now before you download the JDK for your specific platform, you need to accept the license agreement. Okay, just accept it. And as you can see here, these are the JDK download links for different platforms. Okay, for example, if you have got a Mac OS X, you need to download the JDK from this link and install it. It's pretty easy and straightforward to install the JDK. And if you have got a Windows machine, there is a different story here. For 32-bit operating systems, this is the link for you, Windows x86, and this link is for 32-bit operating systems for Windows machines. But if you have got a 64-bit operating system, this is the link for you, Windows x64. Okay, how do you know whether you have got a 32-bit operating system or a 62-bit operating system? So let me show you how to actually know that. In your taskbar at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, just click on the Windows and right-click on the computer and click on the properties. Okay, now as you can see here, I have got a 64-bit operating system. So now I know that I should click on the second option here, the 64-bit operating system link, Windows x64. But if you have got a 32-bit operating system, just click on this link and download and install the JDK. The installation process is pretty easy and straightforward. Just press next and use the default path as your installation path. Okay, but if you have got any problem downloading or installing the JDK, just message me or create a discussion in the course. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.